Why do some entrepreneurs seem to spot opportunities before everyone else? Why do they launch products people actually want? Why do they enter markets at the right time while others waste months building things nobody buys? It's not luck. It's not intelligence. It's information. The difference between a successful entrepreneur and a struggling one is often the quality of their research. The problem? Most people research the wrong way. They spend hours reading articles, watching videos, scrolling social media, and collecting information they never use. Meanwhile, entrepreneurs using AI are discovering market opportunities, customer pain points, competitor weaknesses, and business ideas in a fraction of the time. Imagine being able to uncover profitable niches, identify customer problems, analyze competitors, and validate business ideas before investing months of effort. That's exactly what you'll learn today. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete AI-powered research system that helps you make smarter business decisions faster. Let's begin. Let's start with a simple truth. Businesses don't fail because they work too hard. Many fail because they solve problems nobody cares about. Research helps prevent this mistake. Before building anything, ask, what problem am I solving? Who has this problem? How painful is this problem? And are people willing to pay for a solution? Open ChatGPT and use this prompt. Act as a business analyst. Identify the biggest challenges facing small business owners in 2026. Rank them by urgency and potential business opportunity. Within seconds, ChatGPT provides a starting point for identifying opportunities. Instead of searching blindly, you're now focusing on real-world problems. Next, let's identify customer pain points. This is where profitable businesses are born. Every successful business solves a painful problem. Prompt, act as my ideal customer. What keeps you awake at night? What frustrates you daily? What would make your life easier? These answers reveal opportunities that many entrepreneurs completely overlook. Remember, customers don't buy products. They buy relief from problems. Now let's research competitors. Many entrepreneurs fear competition. Smart entrepreneurs study it. Prompt, analyze the strengths and weaknesses of businesses offering AI consulting services. Identify gaps in the market. This helps answer important questions. What are competitors doing well? What are they missing? Where can I differentiate myself? Here's a powerful principle. Never enter a market blindly. Enter with information. Now let's validate business ideas. Most people get excited about ideas too quickly. Research helps separate opportunities from distractions. Prompt, evaluate this business idea. List the advantages, risks, challenges, opportunities, and potential customers. In seconds, ChatGPT becomes your business advisor. It won't predict the future, but it will help you think more clearly. Next, let's discover emerging trends. Opportunities often appear before the market notices them. Prompt, what emerging trends are likely to create new business opportunities over the next 3 years? Focus on AI, education, freelancing, and digital business. These insights can help you position yourself ahead of competitors. The goal isn't to follow trends. The goal is to spot them early. Now let's use ChatGPT for market research. Prompt, describe the target audience for an online AI training program. Include demographics, goals, frustrations, objections, and buying motivations. The better you understand your audience, the easier it becomes to create products, marketing campaigns, and content that resonates. Let's take it one step further. Ask ChatGPT, what questions are people asking about this topic? Those questions become video ideas, blog topics, lead magnets, product opportunities, sales messages. Research isn't just about finding answers. It's about finding opportunities hidden inside questions. Here's a research shortcut successful entrepreneurs use. Instead of asking, what business should I start? Ask, what problem should I solve? The second question leads to better opportunities. Now let's build a complete AI research workflow. Step 1, identify market problems. Step 2, research customer pain points. Step 3, analyze competitors. Step 4, validate ideas. Step 5, discover trends. Step 6, build solutions. This process reduces guesswork dramatically. Entrepreneurs who guess often waste months. Entrepreneurs who research make decisions with confidence. That's the real advantage. Today's challenge: choose one business idea. Use ChatGPT to identify customer pain points, analyze competitors, validate the idea, research trends, create a customer profile, document your findings. By the end of today, you'll have more clarity than most entrepreneurs gain in weeks. Information alone doesn't create success, but informed decisions dramatically improve your chances of success. ChatGPT gives entrepreneurs the ability to research faster, think more strategically, and uncover opportunities that others miss. Use it wisely. In the next episode, we'll build one of the most valuable systems any entrepreneur can have, an AI-powered email automation system. You'll learn how to write professional emails, automate follow-ups, nurture leads, and build relationships without spending hours in your inbox. Because every business runs on communication, and AI can help you do it better. Next episode, ChatGPT email automation system. Write better emails in minutes. Comment below, what's the biggest business idea or opportunity you're currently researching? If you found this video valuable, subscribe to SkillYield Lab, like this video, and turn on notifications. In this series, we're learning how to use AI not just to save time, but to make better decisions, build better businesses, and create more opportunities. I'll see you in the next episode. The biggest opportunities are rarely hidden. They're usually sitting inside problems everyone can see, but few people choose to solve. The question is, will you spend your time guessing or researching your way to the right opportunity?